Baseball has been a long-standing tradition in Waxahachie. From the lights, to the stands, to the players and fans, Richards Park is more than special. It is everything that embodies the greatness of America's game. It's that magic in the air that you can't quite describe, but you can feel. Indian baseball began in 1909. Through the years, the field welcomed legends like Ty Cobb with the Detroit Tigers, as well as the Cincinnati Reds, Buffalo Bisons, and Chicago White Sox for their spring training. The Great Depression and World War II may have for a time wiped away the game, but in 1946, Paul Richards returned home to Waxahachie to rebuild the park. Richards began his baseball career in Waxahachie and was part of a team that won 65 consecutive games and 3 state championships between 1922 and 1925. He later went on to play in the major leagues for the Brooklyn Dodgers, New York Giants, Philadelphia Athletics, and Detroit Tigers. After playing, he worked in managing roles for several major league teams. The contributions he made to the future of Waxahachie baseball are astounding, and his lifelong passion for this game still hangs in the air of the park. Hancock, Turner, Midkiff, Wood, just some of the names that echo in the dugouts of Richards Park. And now a new chapter begins. What will this new coach and team continue as a part of this rich tradition and history? Will the sacred sand give them what they need to stay in the win column? As sure as the train that runs parallel to the third baseline, you can believe that baseball in Waxahachie, at this park that we cherish and honor, will continue to be magical.